Okay guys, for today's video, I'm making salted milk latte. So, meron akong apat na sachet na Nescafe. Tapos, dalawang kutsarang condensed milk. Lagyan natin dito. Tapos, lagyan natin ng konting tubig, water. And then, i-frotter natin. Ngayon, frotter, mix natin. Okay, then next, it's lagyan natin ng ice. Bala ni Batman kanina. Magpalpitate na ako na naman kandata ngayon. Because it's coffee. I get nervous when I'm drinking coffee. Then, lagyan natin ng konting milk para masarap. O, diba? Meron tayong salted milk latte. Sorry guys, I forgot to put a little bit salt. It's supposed to be salted, sweet, creamy latte. Konti lang. Only a little bit salt. Yeah. That's it. Tapos lagyan natin yung ice. Yan. Tapos lagyan natin pa ng konting milk. There you go. Yan. Ito yung may strong, sweet, strong, and creamy iced coffee. So,